Hello, Solaris One family. So let's see. Number eight people. What? How does the month of May looks like for you? Okay. And what does the okay कार्ड अपने आप आ रहे हैं आपके लिए? Okay. I'm keeping this card above. We'll pick two more cards. So this is the first card. This is the second card. Okay. Lovely. Wow. Okay, one more card has come by itself. So let's do. आपके cards खुद divine ने pick किया हुआ है. So I'm saying that in the beginning of the month of this card, I'm seeing some family function is there as a lovely supportive family. आपको एक function attend करने वाले हैं, जहाँ पर आपको as a family you will be enjoying this function. कोई celebration आने वाला है आपके पास सामने starting के 10 days में. Be blessed, enjoy this festivity, enjoy the what should I say, enjoy the environment, because that is much needed for you. You need this. आप जो अपने आप को घर से बहुत दूर because of some workload, maybe because of some pressure, you are feeling like you are left alone and all, you deserve this फैमिली फंक्शन, और भी मे बी डिनर हो सकता है फ्रेंड्स के साथ, फैमिलीज के साथ. ये भी हो सकता है आप कहीं पे एक ट्रिप पे जाने वाले हैं. सो एंजॉय दिस टाइम. इट्स मेंट फॉर यू. नाउ टुवर्ड्स द मिड ऑफ द मंथ आई एम सीइंग दैट यू आर कैरिंग एन एनर्जी, जहाँ पे आपकी एनर्जी पूरी ड्रेन हो रही है एंड यू फील लाइक somebody has sabotaged you or somebody has given or put you into a more troubled area because of their decisiveness. So just hold on to that, those days. Just hold on to the thought which you have enjoyed of the family which you has always been your support system. And by the end of the day, I'm seeing you are going to travel to some place with your partner, where I'm getting the card of the lovers card or two of cups as your partner, and you will spend some quality time together. You will be blessed to enjoy some blissful time together. I by itself I got two more cards for you. One is the Ace of Cups, which shows the divine opportunity coming to you in the month of May. I cannot tell you the exact timeline, and this divine blessing will come to you because of your efforts which you have put. So the efforts which you have put in so far in your work, maybe, or maybe in your relationship, maybe with your partner, you will be blessed with an opportunity to enjoy that bliss. Use this opportunity for to the fullest for yourself and enjoy the blessings over here by divine. Just be careful with the justice when you take. You sometimes feel like the justice has been given to you in terms of the monetary, or in terms of the support system, or in terms of the what should I say, in terms of the actions which you have taken. Just you need to be careful about that. You need to understand how you can use this in your benefits, and please use this opportunity to the fullest, because May month is the month of expansion. May month is the month of blessings for you, so enjoy this time. I'm also getting a soul purpose, absolutely adding to this cards, wherein you are getting a better family time, you're getting a time with your partner, you're getting an opportunity. So the sole purpose of your life, I'm seeing that your life path and your divine guidance is getting aligned. It taking you towards the success. This opportunity, this support from your partner is taking you to the success. So please, it's not about only celebration, it's also about how you use it to achieve mentally, physically, and emotionally what it is missing. So enjoy this time and continue to say that, acknowledge that perspective, the aspect and opportunity for your growth. If you resonate with my readings, please feel free to DM me personally for the better and insight reading, so that I can guide you personally. This is a generic reading. It may be I can guide you better if I try to find a direct connect with you. Okay, now coming down to number 9 people. I'm seeing lots of struggle in terms of any actions you are taking. Number 9 people, okay, so maybe आप कुछ एक काम कर रहे हैं जिसको बैलेंस करने के लिए आपको बहुत ज्यादा मतलब एफर्ट्स जा रहा है. So beginning of the month of the May going to be a lot of effort from your side. You may find it really difficult to balance the workload which you are holding on your shoulders right now. Just take a pause, understand the criterias which is really important to take action on, and the rest will fall in the places. Next comes the middle of the month, is the something which and where you will be able to balance and identify the main purpose of your life, the purpose on the actions which you are taking right now. So you will be able to identify that, you will be able to evaluate the right opportunity and actions provided to you, and based on that, if you do that rightfully, if you take action or identify the struggle points, the pain points which you have, which you will go through in the beginning of the month, you will be blessed with lots of blessings of the strength. So God is saying you that you are struggling, you are putting lots of efforts to balance the work, balance the personal life, balance the relationship, balance your personal perspective and professional perspective, and you are struggling. Hence the God is sending a strength to you in terms of divine blessings. So just continue what you are doing, okay, don't stop over there, but identify the right path which will give you success. So this card means that only. So it's a very beautiful card. It shows how blessed you are in terms of, you know uh, um, in terms of the opportunity or the other aspects which you take care of. The last card talks about, so I have also taken out the angelic number for you, which says 77, which means awakening. So like I said, in the mid of the month you will have your awakening call, where you will be able to break through the right opportunity or the right activity which will guide you to understand why you were struggling, and how you can make the opportunity correct and and utilize it to the fullest. Once you have awakened this opportunity, you will be able to encash that. So it's the May month starts with lots of a struggle. The May month starts with lots of issues, but at the end of the May month you will find a lots and lots of yourself in a better space. हो सकता है आप किसी प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे हैं और अभी आपका प्रोजेक्ट में बहुत क्योस है, हो सकता है आप कोई एक आपके फैमिली में कुछ ऐसी एक्टिविटीज चल रही हैं जिसकी वजह से आप थोड़ा डिस्टर्ब्ड हैं, किसी ने कुछ कह दिया है तो इमोशनली आप कैरीड अवे हैं. So just hold on to those thoughts, okay, just hold on to those thoughts, and I am seeing that you will be able to balance it out by end of the month beautifully, and you will conquer it. God is there for you. God bless us all. Thank you. And if you resonate with my readings, please go ahead, put some comments, reach out to me on my WhatsApp number in provided into the description box, and I'm happy to guide you on one basis. Thank you. Radhe Radhe.